Everyone is telling you to sell digital products right now. Ebooks, templates, courses, presets, and I get it. It sounds like the dream. No inventory, no shipping, just upload something and get paid. But here's what nobody is telling you, and I say this as someone who has done both. Most people who go the digital product route end up making a few $100s and then hitting a wall they cannot break through. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly why that happens and which option I think is the best in 2026. If you wanna build a real business online, especially if your goal is to remain faceless, watch this video until the end because I have some information for you that I haven't seen anyone post about on YouTube. So if you're sitting there trying to figure out which direction to go to, trust me when I say I'm your person because I've launched a series of businesses and tried many things until I found something that actually makes me a lot of money and still gave me complete freedom over my life. And if you're new here, you probably don't know about the series of businesses that I had and tried because trust me, I tried so many things. I had a grocery store, I opened a cafe, I dropshipped, I just bought another business in cash. There's just so many things I tried. So I'm really making these videos for you because I don't want anyone to go through this like roller coaster of trying out different ventures. No, I'm gonna give you the real truth. If you like this type of content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. The more support I get from you, the more I can produce these type of videos to help you launch your own online business. Now let's get into it. Let's start with digital products because I want to be very fair. The appeal is real. You create something once, a PDF, a template, a mini course, a Lightroom preset, and theoretically you can sell it forever without touching it ever again. The margins are insane because there's no cost of goods. And the startup cost is almost zero. I understand why people are drawn to this. It sounds like the perfect passive income model. And for some people, it genuinely works. But here's what nobody tells you, but don't worry because I will. The people making serious money from digital products, and I'm talking consistent 5 figures a month, almost all of them had one thing before they launched: an audience, a big one. They had tens of thousands of followers who already trusted them, already wanted to learn from them, and were already warm before the product ever existed. The product was the next step in a relationship they had already built. If you're starting from zero or close to zero and you launch a digital product, you are essentially opening a store in the middle of nowhere and hoping people will find it. The product itself is not what sells. The audience sells the product. And building that audience first takes time, sometimes even years before you see any real return. It took me 5 years to build my Instagram account to over 300,000 followers. And now I also just launched a brand new Instagram page where I'm solely focusing on teaching you how to launch your own online business. I'm gonna link it down below, so make sure you check that out. So the question is this: do you have time to build an audience for 1 to 2 years before you start making meaningful money? If yes, digital products can work for you. But if you want to build real income faster, I want to show you what I think is the smarter path for you. Selling physical products online, specifically through the dropshipping model, gets a very bad reputation because of the way it's been taught. People think it's cheap, spammy, AliExpress products with a 60-day shipping time. That was 2016 when I launched my clothing brand in my parents' basement. We are now in 2026. It's been 10 years, so I've seen the entire model for the last 10 years. The model has evolved completely, and right now the opportunity is bigger than it has ever been. Here's what selling physical products actually gives you that digital products don't. First, you don't need an existing audience to make sales. You are selling something people are already searching for or already want to buy. They don't care how many followers you have. Someone is not going to buy a journal from you just because you have 100,000 followers. They don't care. You're not convincing someone they need what you made. You're showing up with a solution to a problem they already have. That is a completely different sales dynamic and it works faster. Second, you are building a brand, not just a content account, an actual brand with a product, a name, a base, and real equity. That brand has value beyond you. You can scale it. You can eventually step away from it, and in some case, you can even sell it. I sold my journal brand for 6 figures, and the only way I was able to achieve this is by separating my personal brand social media and my journal's social media accounts. If I had shown my face on that brand, I could have never sold it because I would have been attached to that business. Your personal TikTok account cannot be sold because you are the face, you are the person. But your brand, that can be sold. I also never use my personal Instagram or TikTok page to promote my journals because again, then I would not have been able to sell that business because I would be attached to that business. You need to separate both accounts. Third, and this is the one that changes changes everything right now. AI has completely transformed how much work this model actually takes. I just created this video using AI in under 10 minutes. This is a new product to the market that has already made $100,000 in profits. The video I made using AI looks legit, and this is how people are selling products online now without ever showing their face. I want to spend a minute here because people do not realize how different this is from even 2 years ago. But before I do that, I want to introduce today's sponsor, because trust me when I say this, you will need them once you launch your online business. Omnisend is honestly one of the tools I actually recommend to people building their online store. Here's the thing, most people focus so hard on getting traffic to their store that they completely ignore what happens after someone visits and doesn't buy. Guys, that is where the money is being left on the table. Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform built specifically for e-commerce, and it lets you automate the follow-up so that you're converting people already showing interest in your brand. We're talking abandoned cart sequences, welcome flows, post-purchase emails, all of it set up once and running in the background while you focus on growth. And with AI now built into their platform, it's faster than ever to set it up. If you're building an online store, this is not optional. This is the infrastructure. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can get 30% off the first 3 months using the code RITU. You know what used to take months now can take you hours using AI? Product research that used to take weeks? AI tools literally give you a list of products within minutes. Your entire store product descriptions, SEO, copy, branding, email sequences, AI can generate all of this. And by the way, I have multiple videos on showing you exactly how to do all of this step by step. I'm gonna link everything down below. We are literally in a moment where the barrier to entry for building a real product-based business has never been lower. The tools exist, AI exists. What most people are missing is the strategy and the guidance. That's the gap right there. So when people tell me that digital products are easier, I push back on that, because easy and fast are not the same thing. Digital products have a low barrier to create but a high barrier to sell if you don't have an audience. Physical products have a slightly higher barrier to launch but a much faster path to actually having revenue once you understand the model. Let me talk about money here for a second, because this is where a lot of people get confused. Digital product creators love to show revenue screenshots, tens of thousands of dollars in a week, $50,000 in a month. And some of those numbers are legit, but what they rarely show you is the cost of generating that revenue if you don't have followers, ad spend, email platform costs, funnel software, content production. With a physical product brand, your numbers look different, but the path is more predictable. You find a product with real demand, you build a clean brand around it, you drive traffic through organic content, which by the way, with AI tools is faster and easier to produce than ever, and you can start seeing sales. Then you reinvest and then you scale. You are building an asset that grows with time. Now I want to be clear, because I don't want this to feel one-sided, even though I have a clear opinion. I think there was a time digital products were easy and you could have made a lot of money from it, but times have changed. Digital products make sense for you if you already have a large engaged audience, if you already have a very high skilled knowledge base that people are actively paying to learn, and if you're okay with a longer runway before you see serious income. Physical products and dropshipping make sense for you if you want to start generating real revenue without needing a huge follower first, if you want to build something with a lasting brand equity, and if you want a business where AI tools can genuinely cut your workload in half. And most importantly, if you want a clear step-by-step path that doesn't require you to be already famous. Now, here's the thing that I want to leave you with. The online business world loves to make everything sound complicated so that you stay confused and keep consuming content. I want to do the opposite for you. The model is simple. Find a product people want, build a clean brand around it, use AI to do the heavy lifting on content, copy, and operations, drive organic traffic, make sales, reinvest, and scale, and maybe even eventually sell your brand just like how I did. That's it. This is the actual roadmap. Now I'm going to be leaving another video for you down below so you can learn more about online brand building. Make sure you watch that video ASAP right after this one. And also make sure to check out Omnisend, and don't forget to use the code RITU for 30% off your first 3 months. If this video gave you any clarity, you enjoyed it, or you gained any value, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.